draw Phineas Flynn from Phineas and Ferb. Alright, here we go everybody. Let's start with an eye. There you go. An eye right there, big oval eye for Phineas. And we're gonna do that, give him a pupil with a bit of a highlight there. Very nice everybody. And now we were gonna draw his face. So he's got a bit of a triangular face. We'll do this like that. We'll bring that on nose on down like that. Give him a big old smile, we will. There we go. Just like that. Looks a bit like a shark, doesn't he? Bring it down like that. There's his neck. Bring it on back up again. Give him a bit of an ear here. Like that. Right around there. And now we're going to draw the top of his head right about there. Cap it off like that. And we'll draw some funny hair. Lots of squiggly bits of hair. Just get lots of fun in there. There we go. Up and down like this. How about that? Squiggly up and downs. There we go. Looking good. Now let's draw his other eye. Right about here. And we'll give him a looking look, like he's looking right back at us like that. Now we can draw his eyebrows up here. 1 and 2. There we go. How about we give him some teeth now? Right there. Right there. Bit of a tongue. And there's the side of his mouth. Sweet. I'm liking it. Now we can draw his neck crew right about there. And then we'll bring his body on down like this. We'll draw another arm right about here. There's a sleeve. There we go. That looks nice. And now what we can do is bring his arm down like that. 1, 2. And now his hand with 1, 2, 3 fingers. 3 fingers for Phineas. There. Phineas is looking good. Now what we gotta do is bring the rest of his body down over here. Just like that. Draw the bottom of his shirt right about there. And then what we can do is draw his shorts. 1 leg. There's his second leg. Right meeting the hand there. Looking nice. Let's draw his other arm over here. There's his sleeve. And we could make his arm go down there. Just like that. Behind his body like that. Looking nice. Now let's draw some legs. 1 leg. And there's his other leg. That's looking nice. Let's give him a shoe. 1 shoe here with a bit of a sole on it. Just like that. Bring that sole on down like that. Looking nice. Bit of a toe bit. Some laces there. Top it off with a sock right around there. I like that. So let's do the same over here. There's the sole. Just make it a bit farther up than the last shoe so he looks like his foot's behind him. There's the sole. The toe bit. The laces. And the sock. Looking good everybody. We'll draw his stripes on his shirt here now. 1, 2. Have fun with it everybody. As many stripes as you like, but I believe his shirt's going like this. And then the bottom stripe right around there. Looking good everybody. It's Phineas Flynn from Phineas and Ferb. Let's get to the color. Light skin color. Blue shorts, blue shoes and eyes. Orange hair, eyebrows and shirt stripes. Yellow shirt stripes. A pink tongue. Thanks everyone.